Hello, welcome back to Mr. Lamb Science Corner. We've got a really quick, really easy demonstration for you today. It's one you're probably going to say, I've done that one, what possibly can I do? But remember, we're talking about kids and they may not have seen this before. So I just want to remind you about this, and that is the spinning egg. Okay, so I've got a couple of eggs here. They look all very much the same. And you could say, well, how can I tell the difference between the two? And the difference is, of course, this is when we're going to spin them. Okay? And if you're watching this fresh up, I'm filming this in the middle of Lent season. And that means that Easter is coming up on us, rushing here. And a lot of people have boiled eggs. And there have been known to be a joker or two who takes a raw egg and colors it all up very nice and neatly. And I had an uncle who always loved to crack an egg on his head. He did that every single time. His brother was quite a joker, and so he colored up a raw egg and he smashed it against his head, and he was not a happy camper. So I'm not suggesting that you talk about that part with the kids, but you can show them the very easy trick of spinning eggs. Now this one spins much easier, this one spins much harder. So of these, this is the boiled egg and this is the raw egg. Okay, so like I said, we've all done this before. The reason it works is that the boiled egg is solid all the way through, and so any force I put on the egg is going to be transferred directly to the innards here, and so it's going to spin very nicely. But when I go to spin the raw egg, any force I put on the outside is not necessarily transferred to the inside. Okay, and so there, it is eventually through friction, but not through just twisting. But here's something that you may not have seen before. Okay, so I get it going like this, and then if I stop it, let's see if I get it. Okay, I get it nice and spinning, and then it's not going to cooperate because the table is not, well, it's not doing it. Naturally not. Okay, no, it just wants to roll. Sometimes you'll get the egg to, if you get a really good spin, and I don't want to do this here on this small table because it'll probably roll off and break. But if you get it going well and then you stop it, then when you let go of it, it will continue. And we'll try it one more time. We'll see if I can get this going pretty good. No, doesn't want to do it. Anyway, sometimes demonstrations work, and sometimes they don't. And you probably should be ready for that, because the kids will certainly be ready for that. And but anyway, but the main thing is due to something called rotational inertia, the raw egg will not spin nearly as well as the boiled egg. And like I said, we've all seen that before, but sometimes it's kind of handy to mention it, especially this time of year with Easter coming up, where everybody fixes boiled eggs. Okay, thank you, goodbye.